Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the Linguistic Channel. So, how are you? How is everybody? Must be good, healthy, and fine. Right, so our today's topic, which is right in front of you, that is about adverbs. Right? What is that? Adverbs. Is it adverb or adverb? It is adverbs, right? So we can understand what is it just by its name, because it tells itself something that adds something to the verb, right? जो के verb के अंदर add हो, उसे adverb कहते हैं. There are multiple examples of that, different examples and different definitions, right? क्योंकि adverb जो है वो सिर्फ वर्ब के बारे में नहीं बताता, वो और भी चीज़ों के बारे में बताता है. एंड आप एक एडवर्ब, एक एडजेक्टिव को कैसे एक एडवर्ब में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें we'll be learning in our today's video. Right? So adverb modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. मतलब adverb is not the only thing that tells about the verb, right? वो सिर्फ verb के बारे में नहीं बताता, वो adjective के बारे में बताता है और दूसरे adverb के बारे में भी बताता है. Right? So, कैसे? An adverb tells more about a verb in a sentence. How? You see here. The fire engineers run fast. Right? Up here we have got an example. The fire engineers, that's her subject. Right? Run is the verb and fast. Fast is telling that how they run. They run fast. Right? So this is how fast is an adverb. Why? Because it is telling about the activity, that how the act is being done. They are running fast, right? Fast is never fastly, so if anywhere you see fastly, that's wrong. Next is listen to his speech carefully. Right? Means right now this verb listen is directly linked with the adverb carefully. How? Because it is what the connection is. It's like listen carefully, right? So listen carefully. It's like that. Next is I browse web frequently. Means I keep browsing, I keep browsing, I keep browsing. So frequently is like what? Web is frequently being browsed. It's like that, right? So frequently is telling about what? Browsing. कि आप browsing कैसे करते हो? You browse frequently. So this is why it's there. Frequently is an adverb. And browse is the verb. Then it rained hard. So it's not talking about कि भाई it is hard. If it is written like it is hard, so it will be like hard will be an adjective. But right now it's like it rained hard. It's telling how it rained, right? It's telling how it rained. So it rained really hard. So hard becomes an what? Adverb, of course. Okay. Then an adverb describes more about an adjective in a sentence. How? You see, the news is very surprising. Now, surprising is an adjective, right? It's about this. But very is an adverb, so adverb is giving more information about an adjective as well, right? It is describing the adjective more. Then the coffee is extremely hot, right? Hot is an adjective. Why? Because it's the coffee which is hot, right? And extremely is an adverb because it is telling कि वो कितनी hot, like मतलब कैसा hot है, बहुत ज़्यादा hot है. An adverb, and amazing is an adjective. अच्छा, one more thing I would like to tell you. Adverb is something that tells more about a verb in action, right? So it means if I say I'm making this video at my home, so we do have an adverb here as well. Why? Because I'm making video where? It's adding where at my home. So we are adding more meaning to this place, right? To this sentence. Okay, bhai, I'm making video at my home. So at my home is telling that where I'm making the video. If I say that, let me think. If I say yes, we meet once in a month, right? So this once is telling that how many times do we meet. So it's giving more information to the verb meet. M-E-E-T, meet, right? That we meet once in a month. So once is an adverb there, right? So remember this definition. Any word that tells more about a verb in action, it is an adverb. Like I told you about adjective, that anything that gives more meaning to a noun is an adjective. The same way, anything that gives more meaning or that tells more about an action or the verb, means both are the same things, that is an adverb. Perfect. Now, an adverb describes more about an adjective. It's going to be an adverb. It rained very hard. Now, very is an adverb, hard is an adverb, so both are the adverbs. Now, very is telling the intensity, the level of the hard, that it rained very hard. Though we're just expecting the rain, man. Okay, computers run much faster these days. Now, much is an adverb, faster is an adverb, so it's just like that. I clean my room less frequently. Now, less is an adverb, frequently is an adverb, so you can use two adverbs together in the sentence. Now, commonly adjectives can be changed to adverbs by adding ly, ly, right? Like examples are here. You see slow into slowly, quick, quickly, comfortable, comfortably, loud, loudly, clear, clearly. Now, what happens जिन adjectives के आखिर में y आता है, तो हम उनको कैसे adverb में convert करते हैं? We do what is that we add ly. Like you see here, happy, happily, easy, easily. Right? So this is how we go on when it comes to adjectives, and that's all about adverbs. I hope there is no confusion. If there is, again, you're more than welcome to ask me in the comments. Anyhow you feel like it's convenient to you. So that's all from my side. Hope you learn it and you don't have any questions, any confusions regarding it. Even if there are my videos uploaded on my YouTube channel with the different kinds of adverbs and adjectives and everything, right? So you can just go to the playlist parts of speech and learn all of them from there. So thank you so much for watching. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.
For more videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.